Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. Today from the Netherlands, from the little town Andijk, and I hope I pronounce it correctly. And as you can see, we tried to visit a Citroen museum, which is closed, and for whatever reason the owners decided only to open the last Sunday in the month, which is not today. Today is a Sunday, but everything is closed. I think in here we would see hundreds, hundreds of old Citroens, but it's closed, so we can't go in. We'll give you a short tour from the outside, and later on I will add the address in the comments, so you have a chance to visit this beautiful little collection for yourselves. I was already in contact with somebody from the museum, but unfortunately they can't open just for me, myself and I. They would do special openings for larger groups, which is for more than 10 people. So, not today, not for us. Let's take a little tour. We just figured that it's very complicated to show you the cars from the outside, because the windows here are very clean and we have lots of reflections, so it's tough to see. We'll try it anyway. So first car you can see here is what I'd say you would call a barn find. It's a Citroen 2CV Fourgonnette. I'm sorry, I'm a Mercedes guy, I have no clue about these cars. I will add a channel from a guy in my hometown who just explained this kind of car, and yeah, this is what we see, nicely displayed, and it's really as they found the car. Same for the next one. Obviously no engine in there. No, the engine is missing. Also the 2CV station wagon. And they even, I don't know if you can see it, they placed a hood, an old hood, on the top of the car. You can see the simple system, how they attach the hood. There's just a line and there's a little bar you push through, and then the hood is attached. Good to see that the tank is full. We went outside the museum to the very corner, and so we will now walk alongside. Look at all those cars. That's the back. That's a standard Ente, how we call it in Germany, a duck. 2CV, also very old model. And as we will see in the upcoming cars, not this one, but they only have cars looking brand new. When we look in the inside, we can see more of those very old barn find cars, obviously in just the condition they found the cars. Nice. I really like it to display the cars in this condition. And now we will have a rundown of those station wagon CVs. Look at this one. Look at those doorknobs, the hinges. The car looks brand new, this one. Citroen 250. Also, when we look at the rubber ceilings, brand new. The rest is not brand new, but they're in excellent condition. I think you can see more us than you can see the rest of the cars. Maybe we take a step back so we can see the whole car. Vielleicht gehen wir noch mal einen Schritt zurück, damit wir auch das Auto einmal ganz sehen. Genau. So you can see the whole car. Obviously it's commercial cars. This looks like a car from the mail. This is Orangina from France, which might explain the great condition. Here we see two models I have no clue what it is unless it's a Citroen. Don't know what kind of model, and I don't know the left one either. You will know. Here's a Citroen Mehari. I think the wheelbase is the same as the 2CV, but this is with an open top, 4-seater. Also great condition. And more of those. Very old model because the rear window is missing. You can see it's been repainted in grey, but it's really old because you can see from the missing window. And it's quite windy today and cold. Look, that's a later model, beautiful condition, bit more modern seats, still no headrests. Beautiful car. Habnat would love this museum. I hope you can see it when you look through the window. All windows are open and you just have a guess how many 2CVs are parked in here. Too bad it's closed. All colors, all varieties, but not only 2CVs, but also younger and bigger Citroen models in black. This is a double seat, a bench, while other cars have single seats. I think this is about my favorite model here. It's a Citroen CX. Hello to Tony. I know he loves those cars too. Silver, we have a CX Leader, we have a CX GTI Turbo model, an earlier model CX 2000, also CX series, another one CX 2000, also in silver. Beautiful cars. And now the older, the predecessor of that car, the DS, Citroen DS, DS20, the Special, all parked up. Not in brand new condition, but very charming. Some patina. Oh, so beautiful. The Special. And again, my lack of knowledge. Don't know what model this is. An older one. We can see it on the side. If I think real hard, I will remember the name of this car, but not now. Obviously, they have also here to the left, they have their own garage, so their own workshop, which is great to maintain those cars. And again, those fourgonnettes, those station wagons from the 2CV. Look at the old steering wheel, and in there, really well-used models. Nice. Well, as you can see, it's starting to rain now, so I think we will stop this one. A real quick episode. Maybe in the upcoming days we will have another chance to take a look at the cars inside, because I contacted them. Maybe there is a chance to look at the car. If not, that's it on this wonderful little museum in northern Netherlands. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe and healthy. Bye. Just a quick add-on. They also have two Simca models here. I think this is, and I don't only think, it is a 1301 Simca. They became very, very rare. And this is obviously outside here, so it's still used. You can't see anything. Really nice one. Still in use. And a second Simca, it's parked up here. Smaller model, engine in the back. Saying 1000 GLE in gold. A bit crusty. Very nice interior. Philips original radio. Still some Original paper tags at the steering wheel. Some hip belts. Original manual. Very nice. Nice little car. Boot in the front. Beautiful. So, as I said, it's worth a trip, but make sure you'll get here to find open board.